Right. Gather round the low there, lad. This one's for the Sawdust Mafia. Hey! Hey! There was Davy Boy from Canada, turning stumps, 7 Mach Jesus speed. Tamed a naughty burl like a rabbit bull, made a hollow form that make a bishop bleed. Shavings flying like a winter storm.
Hey you all, good morning. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim. Today I'm in the shop. I have a mail call that has simply made me giddy. No pun intended or implied. So I'm going to turn you around here. Some of you know that I just absolutely love music. I played guitar for a while. I don't think I was a great guitarist. I enjoyed playing. So I'm going to turn you around here so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully that. There we go. Maybe. All right. So here we are. You got the old handy box knife. And this, all puns aside, comes from CB Gitty, the cigar box guitar vendor, I guess, or emporium of it all. So I ordered a couple of different things. I ordered the official bill of lading. I ordered the basic cigar box kit with how-to guide, and it is going to be a 3-string with a wired magnetic pickup harness, a fretted neck, which I'll do myself. I have to provide the wood for the neck on that one. And then it also comes with a slide. I also ordered their Pure and Simple 3-string cigar box guitar kit. And it will be a fretless instrument. And then I ordered the guitar amplifier kit, which is very basic. It was $51 for the kit. And it comes with the little box, as you see here, and it's kind of heavy, so I would assume that the yes, all of the components for that are inside. So that will be an adventure. We'll move this box back so we can see the various things. All right, this would be the amp kit. This would be the world's most bizarre bubble wrap. CB Gitty card. It doesn't have a QR code on it. I always like, if there's a QR code, I like to show that. That way, if you are able, you can scan it. All right, and this would no doubt be the neck for the, yes, this is the neck for the plain and simple. One of these, probably, oh, there's no doubt, this is the materials for the electric kit. And then it's got the fretting guide and all the goodies. And this is a video. If it's on YouTube, I probably will not crack that open. And then a set of strings and some instructions. This is actually for a small instruction manual in the age of poor instructions. This is really nice. It's illustrated. It's written in language for everybody. I'm thinking this is simple enough for me to figure out, and maybe even like the average propulsion engineer from JPL. It's pretty comprehensive instructions for a kit. I am very pleased with that. Nothing is more disheartening than ordering something really cool only to figure out that you are completely unqualified to build the kit. So step this one back here so that you can see. And here are fret wire. And this is the medium weight, 6 foot total. And this is the medium gauge fret wire. And that is simply my preference because I haven't played in a long time. My hands are not really used to playing anymore. And so fretting will be a challenge. You have very low, very simple, or very thin frets. And this is the goodie box that goes with the other guitar kit. So actually, here's the pickup and things for this guy. But I will go down the inventory and grab the things that I need as I need them, and not separate parts too soon. But this is a spruce box. It's nice. It's plywood top. Might be maple. Yeah. Okay. The plywood is definitely a pine product, but the sides of the box may be maple. Kind of looks like pine, but it has a nuttier smell, if that makes any sense to you. So anyway, what kind of goodies do we have here? We have a slide from Stubby Slide, and it looks like the guitar kit came with a slide. So I will have, now the Stubby Slide is interesting. This is, or used to be, Shane Spiel's company. And so I cannot actually wait to get into that. Let me see. Will the thumbnail do that? Can you really just go through that tape? Well, hey, looks like we can. And so this is the actual Stubby Slide. It is a Stubby Slide. The other one is not quite so stubby, and I would use that, you know, on a 4 or a 6 string guitar. But this small guy right here, and it comes with a piece of felt, which I would imagine you're going to put in there as a cushion. But I'm not going to mess with that yet, as much as I would love to just sit and mess with that. But I am very impressed with the contents of the box, contents of the kits, and I will be getting into these as time progresses here in 2026. See, was it meant to come out and not go back in? All right. So I will put the front wire back down there. We'll put this box back in here and move it back. And put that in there. Put the bill of lading back, or packing list, as most of you probably know that. I'm a model railroad guy, so we have some terminologies. All right, and I will just fold the flaps on the box to keep the dust off of everything. So, this video will probably come out neighborhood of, oops, sorry about that. Probably the neighborhood of Groundhog Day. You'll probably see this video. It's about the second week of January, going into the third week of January for me. I have just finished my plank dulcimer for the plank dulcimer challenge, and I'm looking around at what the February challenge is going to be, and it's not, I don't think I'm going to do like a cigar box guitar video or challenge unless there's just an outcry once I run the video on the first cigar box guitar kit. I didn't get as much interest in the plank dulcimer as I thought I might, so maybe something a little more gifty for the month of Valentine's Day. I'll give that some thought and I'll get back with you. Have a great one. Thank you for being part of Soldier Farms.
Diameter to 90, if it doesn't shake, it isn't real.